Y'all, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, cleanpowerwash.com. We've done a little bit of rearranging. There we go. Now it's not quite so hazy on there. Built a ladder rack over here. We've got our ladder rack stabilizer. This is not fully finalized, guys, and obviously it's kind of messy. But whatever, still showing you because guess what? We're not perfect. People are always asking about the plumbing. We got our 2-inch plumbing that comes off the tank, single bulkhead, and then that comes up to here, runs 2-inch, goes down to 1-inch, 1-inch to our 1-inch Y filter, and into the pump. It would be ideal if this was a direct line. We've got so much flow coming through there with this, and with it being a gear drive, it does pretty well there. We've got our SH tank there. We've got our big water tank. We're still zoomed in apparently, or not zoomed in. We've got our Hydrotech hot water skid. This is going to get piped out through the ceiling. I got a little A-frame ladder strap there. We'll have a new jumper line that's going to go along the 2-inch pipe that we've got down here. You can see it tees off right there. Again, tees off from 2-inch down to 1. 1-inch then goes to the inlet of the pump. Plenty of flow. This muffler we're actually going to have go straight down through the floor. Get that taken care of soon. We've got our air compressor, our diaphragm pump, and the proportioner is right there. Electric start for both our reels and the 8-gallon minute water dragon over there. We got our water reel, bleach reel, and pressure reel. These are 28-inch ones. This is probably 500-600 feet of hose. We got 300 feet of line, which I don't like how that looks. That's kind of ugly, folks. Got our toolbox, which we're going to be doing something different with this soon. We'll have mounting spots for all of our guns, for each wand, so that way we know when we finish each job, okay, hey, we've got an empty spot without something. We need to go hook it up or go look for it. We'll move that fire extinguisher away from that. And yes, right now I understand that is definitely not good to have that exhaust near the gas. Again, this is just where we put it tonight. It will be changed. We don't use our hot water every day. We still have this just for a little bit extra ventilation and also for filling the gas tank there. And now, we used to have a big issue over here. Come back around to this. Now we've got access to both our unleaded and diesel, which obviously we need to top off that diesel. It's supposed to be done after every time that we use hot water. Obviously it wasn't done today when we used it, but so be it. Yeah, we need to pressure wash the bottom of that. Wonder where we can get some stuff. We're also going to be color coding all the equipment, just all surface enamel. Spray it on there. That way the guns, the attachments, the J-rods, all that stuff will be color coded. A lot more space. The hot water unit used to be right here, and this was a very tight squeeze. Just not fun to try and get past. Obviously a slimmer profile, and then we also have our little bucket filling line. We're probably going to modify this a little bit because it doesn't would like to really have this come here, so I may just throw a shorter piece of PVC pipe. And obviously we've got our ball valve on that too. So this can also be cam locked off if we need to, either to drain super fast, or we can cam lock onto it and fill that way. We're going to be actually setting up another system that will be up higher that will go through over and then drop 2-inch pipe into the top of that tank. And guys, I've probably seen this already, but what we do at the end of the day for filling up water is we come over here and just hook to this manifold. By hooking to this manifold, all I have to do at the end of the day is hook to that and then turn the water on. Always fun to do this left-handed. Give me 1 second. So the nice thing is that this water is, and again, we're finalizing some stuff here. This is our new bleach filling station, but turn that on. This one is filling up the flatbed. This one's filling up the box truck. Make sure too, folks, when you're running water into it for a long period of time, that you hook that way it doesn't unreel all of the hose the whole time. So this is just showing where we are right now with the box truck and some updates. Again, those gas cans are going to get moved somewhere as well. Have a great day.